We're here, final round, Pirelli World Challenge. Didn't think we'd ever make it here, to be quite honest with you. It's been a tough season, it's been ups and downs, but the brand new format has been challenging. But this crew, our team, absolutely no quit inside of these guys. Motors in and out, transmissions in and out, but we keep digging and we're getting closer and closer. Finally come here, survive first practice. This is a tight course. I mean, it is sketchy, street racing always is, but the car actually ran really well. The driver, Robert, really likes the car, so we're looking forward to a great weekend. Lone Mark jumps on board. They are an up-and-coming, fast-growing, awesome company to work with. For auto loans to help out the young people, the kids that are up-and-coming, they need a little bit of credit. They don't have anything yet. They're not established yet. So Lone Mark can help them get inside of a car, start building their credit. If you have a business, you're self-employed, you need a loan, you know it's tough to get loans, that's what Lone Mark specializes in. So it's great to have them on board, get some exposure for them. They are an up-and-coming, a very fast-growing company, and they are spreading themselves out everywhere. Really big on social media. Check them out online. It's 800lonemark.com. They're supporting the races. You gotta love everything about that, right? That's what it's all about. So everybody has some fun. You get money, we get to go racing. Lone Mark, check them out online.